Hi guys! We are at the Gold Coast, of course, and my friend Simeon, who was my previous colleague, and his partner, showing me around. Meet Simeon and Albert. Hi!
Hello. Are we vlogging?
Yes, I am vlogging.
Hi everyone. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comments, if you want to provide, if you want to greet your friends over the air, comment below.
Yeah.
Comment below.
Very natural. Hi, just for takeaway. Takeaway? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Walking on the way to the borderline between Gold Coast and New South Wales. It's like Canada, US, just one step, sort of like that.
Here is dry, humid, like a dry. Like I prefer like Philippines summer and like over here, because here is like dry, humid. There's no moisture in the air. Do you feel it?
Yeah.
The breeze is like dry.
I'm capturing that so that they would know.
So here.
Sige, atong host for today. Maasal ba ito ilang i-mention dito sa Brisbane?
Dry.
Yeah, but wala ko ka-feel sa Brisbane. Karon ako naka-feel nga nata sa Gold Coast. Sa air nga inyong giingon nga it's dry.
True.
Humid.
Yeah, true. Like humidity here is kind of dry, and even if you can feel it in the air, like it's just warm. Like you're inhaling heated refreshing air or something.
Bye sa tagwater guys, kay uhaw. So there were love locks the eye before.
That's a really good question.
Why? They removed it. Wala. One of the places but I wanted to go on that, but it's far, right?
It's just like 1 hour.
So this is how the pay parking works, guys. Aura!
So like how long? Oh my god, it's 11:29. Let's just go to like.
Back at the hotel, I've changed my outfit, rest for a while before I have dinner. Thank you so much, Albert and Simeon, for showing me around. I had a great time and we've exchanged intelligent, meaningful conversations earlier over wine and pizza. That was a really nice conversation that we had, and I was so happy to see the beaches here in Gold Coast. There are actually very many to choose from. The popular ones we didn't really want to go because I don't like the crowded areas. I don't like the touristy beaches because they're crowded. Simeon and Albert didn't want the crowd as well, so we went to the beaches that they suggested we go to. I did laundry. I am doing my laundry at the moment. And yeah. Look at that view on the 27th floor. It's breathtaking. Well, at least for me. Yesterday the sky wasn't that nice looking, but today it's blue, which is better. Chicken parmigiana. Hello.
Alright. So, Scott, HSC state manager. Ben's movie. That's David Rice. No, unrelated to working on the rice field.
That's David Rice, not related to fried rice. That's David.
Are you recording or?
Yeah.
Oh. Scott's not here.